Welcome! This is how you can make the most of your Live Well gluten-free app. Search over 150,000 products and quickly find out if a product is suitable for you. Browse over 3,000 venues with our gluten-free accreditation across the UK. Log into the app with your Coeliac UK membership email address and password, or sign up on the app for our digital-only membership for just $14.99 per year. Set your dietary preferences when you first log in and tailor them to your dietary needs by switching the filters on or off. If you are gluten-free due to celiac disease or an intolerance rather than an allergy, just set your preferences to include gluten and may contain cereals. We don't recommend setting the extra gluten options filter, as this could exclude food and drink options that could be suitable for you. For example, gluten-free oats, unless you want to avoid these products too. The easiest way to check the suitability of a product is to use the barcode scanner, and if it's on our database, it will confirm if it's suitable or not suitable for you. Simply click the scanner button, hold your smartphone over the product barcode to scan, and detailed information will pop up. Find out if the product is suitable for you based on your dietary preference settings, unsuitable for you as it contains ingredients that don't match your requirements. This symbol shows that the product is cross-grain certified, which means it's been through our rigorous testing and it is suitable for a gluten-free diet. Sometimes product information and labelling can still be confusing. In these cases, we've carried out further checks with the manufacturers to confirm the suitability of a product. When you see the tick symbol, even if it's shown alongside the unsuitable symbol, you know that the product has been checked by Coeliac UK and confirmed suitable for a gluten-free diet. It's easy to find a Coeliac UK gluten-free accredited venue. Search by keyword or by map view. Click on a pin and the venue's details will pop up. Listings will display the GF logo. From the homepage, you can find out more about Coeliac UK and celiac disease, or take our online self-assessment. From the main page, you can also access and manage your account or edit your account details on our website. We've got you because we get you. If you need any more information or assistance, please contact general inquiries at coeliac.org.uk.